Hi and welcome to Fynamics. This is a short video where we will explain how to populate the Excel template and upload into the Fynamics portal. There's a separate video of how you can download this template and then upload it and generate the e-invoices. So please go through that subsequently. So when you download the standard template, you will see these various sheets as part of the workbook and a bunch of sample data points across various transaction types. Now the cyan colored columns are the mandatory fields. These are defined in various sheets within this workbook. So if you go to Fynamics parameter guide, we give you attribute wise the status, whether it's mandatory, optional, conditional, mandatory, etc. And we also give a description, the format, certain samples, and also notes or warnings in terms of what values it can accept. Basically, these are like valid values or what validation is present for that particular field. Now, all these fields, every field is captured here and displayed. The mandatory will exactly match to the FTA count of 51 or 52 fields. Additionally, the fields that are mandated are the currency codes, which are non-IBR fields, and therefore the match is as per the mandates. Then you have the Fynamics code references. These are the master lists. So for each section or each attribute that has a list, what are the valid values? All that is mentioned here, and is also linked to the first sheet. So if you go to transaction type, you will see that these are all the various valid values. Now, when you want to choose what, or you want to understand what that means, you can go back to the code reference sheet to understand what that particular valid values refers to. Now, this drop lists or drop down list is enabled for the first 1000 rows. So if you have data more than 1000 rows, please ensure you copy this drop down list for those rows as well. And then you have the Fynamics legend and rules showing you what each sheet refers, what are the each column colors refer, and how to identify the mandatory, optional, conditional, etc. And then certain validation rules and how do you go about using this template. This is more like a README sheet. So please go through this as well. Now, the number of fields would, as I said, matches with the PINT AE schema. Additionally, what Fynamics also does is to give you 20 reference fields at an invoice level and 10 reference fields at a line item level. So you will see at before the item details start, you will see here as invoice reference fields, though there are 20 reference fields at an invoice, and then at the very end you have 10 reference fields at a line item level. Now these fields are outside of PINT AE schema. It's given only for you to populate relevant information and to upload it into Fynamics and to retrieve it as part of your MIS and reports, right? So with this, I hope this was a fairly helpful video on understanding how to enter the details into the standard Excel template of Fynamics UAE. For any queries, feel free to reach out to Fynamics team. Thank you so much for watching this video.